All right. Hey guys, it's Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTechLessons.com. And let's see, who do we have here? All right. Let's see who we have here. I'm looking for help in the top 200 drugs. Will you go over that anytime soon? Kimmy, that is in our program. That's in our program. We have plenty of material on that. And also we have a mini course too. Okay, let's see. Hilda, what formulas are necessary to know to pass? Hilda, there are plenty of videos on YouTube with math formulas. We don't particularly teach our students formulas. We don't teach that method of learning because, well, for so many other reasons. But if you want a masterclass on that can kind of break down to you how to go about learning math, Hilda, we can provide that to you. Just shoot a message over to my team and they'll be glad to send you a resource so that you can learn that. Okay. Letitia, I've been working as a pharmacy tech for 13 years. Do I still have to go through an accredited program? Letitia, so if you have the 500 hours, you should be good. As long as you know that, Letitia, you're ready to take it on this attempt, you think you know the information, then go for it. What I don't want to happen though, I don't want you to take it and fail. Okay. That would just be not good, especially in this time. So, I mean, you use your discretion on that. But if you feel like you're ready, though, you've been in pharmacy for a while. So if you feel like you're ready, and if I were you, I would go through my video that I did back. It was at the beginning of this year on the new 2020 exam updates. So you at least know like what the differences are now. Okay, LaQuisha. What if you went to school in 2012 and failed the exam? Am I still eligible for the exam? So good question, LaQuisha. You are eligible for the exam. However, you still will have to go through an accredited program because the rule is, first of all, I wouldn't advise you to use 2012 information for this new exam because they've changed it drastically in 2020. But also, they want you to have education within the last 6 months from an accredited program, okay? Because they like for you to have up-to-date information because it just makes the success rate of passing go up. Abinash, hope I'm saying your name right. Please make a video on how to renew. I think we have a video on that, Abinash, but maybe I will make a video about that here soon. Angie, I've taken my exam 3 times and I called and I had my training license expired in February. But they said since I qualified to retake it in June, is it true that I can work as a PT trainee? So that is at the discretion of your pharmacy. Most pharmacies, once that license expires, they don't allow you to work. Like they kind of put you like on a probation. They don't just fire you, but they put you on a probation for a few months and say, hey, you need to go get your certification. And usually after that, they'll just let you come back to work. So you would need to ask the pharmacy that you work at, Angie, what their procedure is with that, because with you not being licensed at all, that's a high liability for the pharmacy. So I know for sure, like the main chains like Walgreens, CVS, Kroger, typically they don't go for that. Like if your license expires in any way, they're going to put you on pause because it's a high liability for them. Is my test going to be the 2019 or 2020 exam? Ooh, good question. So Angie, how it worked was like this. If you scheduled your exam in 2019, but let's just say you scheduled it for April of 2020, you would be taking a 2019 exam. That's how it worked. Okay, LaQuisha, I went through an accredited program in 2012. I attempted the test. What do I do now? LaQuisha, you need to go through an accredited program. If you're trying to get your certification ASAP, which is what I suggest in this time, even if it's just a backup to a job that you already have, yeah, I suggest that you do it now. Because here's what's going to happen, guys. Okay. Hi, do you think it is a good idea to take the proctored exam because of the situation right now, or should I wait until? I would take the proctored exam. Get certified as soon as possible. Don't wait. There's no reason to wait. There's no reason to wait. Listen, people are losing jobs. There's no reason to wait. This has been Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTechLessons.com. You all have a great night. Bye-bye.